How to cancel dubbing AI subscription. Hey guys, in this video I will let you know how to cancel your dubbing AI subscription. So first of all, go to your Play Store account. So click onto this Play Store application if you have Android phone. After clicking onto this Play Store, you will see this section of applications. From here, go to your profile and click onto your profile. After clicking onto it, this screen or this menu will open. Here you can see different options. One is also given as the payment and subscription. Click onto this subscription and this screen will appear. Here you can see the payment method, subscription, budget and history, and redeem code. So click onto this subscription and here you will be able to see all the subscriptions from this collections. Please look at the dubbing AI if you have already subscribed to it. And from there you can remove or resubscribe. So these are the different steps with how you can cancel the dubbing AI subscription. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.